Square say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kikutanka kukuya panenu channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana jungo garo ka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi mure Zimbabwe takwigirai nyabuditswa na Zimbabwe opposition leader va Nelson Chamisa avabuda vachipraise the South Africa's Electoral Commission, the Independent Electoral Commission, IEC. The professionalism yavari kuapply during my elections are kuitwa ku South Africa. The South African voters vane ma elections avari kuita au vari kuita to elect 400 members of National Assembly. So 29 May, then the newly elected members of parliament who then elect the country's next president. So Nelson Chamisa wabuda vachi commenta on professionalism irikuitwa ne Zimbabwe mane IEC vachitaura vachiti the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission should learn how to run my elections from the South Africa's Independent Electoral Commission. Vabuda vachinyora pa X endo yavo vakataura vachiti, while no institution is 100% perfect, I commend the independence, extent of integrity and level of professionalism exhibited by the Independent Electoral Commission during this election cycle thus far. The standard set has been fantastic, especially the transparency, accountability and approachability of the IEC of South Africa. The political and election environment in South Africa has been a template for integrity and fairness to be emulated by all others elsewhere, especially Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. I'm impressed by how SA conducted the voting process for citizens in the diaspora, displaying excellence and global best practices. Holding credible, unrigged, legitimate and undisputed elections is a key tenet and facet of a new Africa. The Independent Electoral Commission in South Africa has provided an excellent template and source of inspiration, giving valuable lessons for election management bodies elsewhere, particularly in Zimbabwe. State institutions serve as the guardrails and guarantors of functioning and flourishing democracies. Institutions must be free from partisan poison, enclave politics and patocracy. They must be free to perform their patriotic and constitutional duties, allowing citizens to flourish in functioning democracies. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa na Nelson Chamisa ndafunga the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission yakafesa a significant criticism nenyaya yema-elections akaitwa mugore ra-2023 ichiaccuswa nenyaya yekuwithholda kwayakaita the voters roll muma-run-up elections and failure to avail ma-ballot papers on voting day mune Zimbabwe. Inyaya yakanetsa iyoyo yakonzwa kuti Nelson Chamisa abude achiti is not going to recognize President Emmerson Mnangagwa as the legitimate leader where Zimbabwe achitaura yachiti akawina ma-elections mune Zimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu-comment section. Asi kune dzimwe nzvimbo hakuna kumira mushe mune Zimbabwe. The Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yabudwa iyo ichitaura iyo ichiti South African ruling party ANC hires ZANU-PF strategy to serve itself. The fuzz polling station desks, the delays and shortages of ballot papers in most opposition strongholds. Some polling stations still not open. Rozunzi zvokuitika kune dzimwe nzvimbo kurunzi kune ma-strongholds e-opposition party zvinonzi ANC yaisa ma-desks just like zvazvakaitwa neZANU-PF during the election period. Apo pane the team yazviti the Forever Association Zimbabwe yaiintimidata voters muri Zimbabwe vasenda izvo ndofunga muri kuona tweet iri apo along with a WhatsApp message yanga vachiupdatewa nevanhu vari kuSouth Africa vachiti truck carrying ballot papers looted in Eastern Cape, and the voters blocked from accessing polling stations by ANC militias, including taxi operators in EFF strongholds in Eastern Cape. The 107 polling stations failed to open in Eastern Cape. The 9 polling stations failed to receive ballot papers. Over 1,000 polling stations failed to open today, according to IEC. So you need to watch out these ZANU-PF mechanizations. Those ones that we take South Africa, Zimbabwe during the election period iyoyi tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi 2 days amunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Sivachamisa vakabuda vachikomenda the IEC nekuallowa kwayakaita even the diasporians kuti vaoneke vachivhota muri Zimbabwe. Tikazo munoona sei nyaya iyi 2 days zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Ngaphakusandla comrade ngiyabona amabhoksi nama-ballot paper asilwanga kude la kuvalwe khona ama-comrade naku kuvulekile ngiyabona ama-comrade ibhokisi elivaliwe neliqhamukako nali lase-112 liyi-1 ma-comrade nali ibhokisi akamasipala akasilwanga mabhokisi ase-112 nawo amabhokisi akasilwanga ama-comrade
and then Ibeba box number 1.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.